Good evening everyone, welcome to Bytes of Light. Today I am going to explain to you what are the topics we are going to cover in this particular lecture series on Indian polity and governance. Let's straight away get. So here it is. Topics covered in the introduction. This we have done once. Introduction to Indian polity, importance of the subject, what is to be read, approaches to prelims and mains, book list and newspapers, and key to success. This I had already done a video and uploaded the notes. Foundations of polity, the constitution and its types. That's the last video that we have done. We'll be doing videos on distinctive features of Indian federalism, theory of separation of powers, doctrine of checks and balances. Then we will come to the third topic, that is preamble, introduction to it, breaking the preamble into part, nature of Indian states, goals and objectives of Indian Constitution. And coming to the fourth part, types of majority, that is absolute majority, simple majority, effective majority, and special majority, and its four flavors. And with that, we'll end the introduction part. That is, we'll end this part. Then we'll go to the second part, that is Indian Constitution, and we'll do Union and its territory, citizenship, fundamental rights, which will be divided into part 1, 2, and 3. Directive principles of state policy, fundamental duties, amendments, union executive, and then union legislature divided into three parts, state machinery, emergency provisions, center-state relations, schedules, local government, judiciary, civil services, and then the last topic in the second part is elections, which are divided into two parts. Then coming to the third part, that is governance. In governance we will cover introduction, governance, transparency, accountability, comparison of world constitutions, citizens charter, NGO, e-governance, pressure groups, SHGs, and constitutional, statutory, regulatory, quasi-judicial bodies. So this is our whole topic. I shall show you once again. As you can see here, first one, that is introduction and the topics coming under it. Second one, that is Indian Constitution and the topics coming under it. Third part, that is governance and the topics coming under it. And now when we compare it with the main syllabus for the third paper, that is GS2, we'll see what are all the topics that we have covered here in our lecture series and which are similar in the mains paper 2. Topics covered in mains paper 2. This is the syllabus of mains paper 2, and I have avoided the syllabus from social justice and international relations, which will be in our another lecture series. So I have only highlighted the governance, constitution, and polity part. If you see these topics, Indian Constitution, historical underpinnings, evolution, features, amendments, significant provisions, and basic structure, we have covered it in our lecture series. And functions and responsibilities of union and states, separation of powers, comparison of Indian constitutional scheme with that of other countries, parliament and state legislatures, statutory, regulatory, various quasi-judicial bodies. This is the last topic. If you see development process and development industry, that is NGOs, SHGs, that also you can see. Important aspects of governance, transparency, accountability, governance, that also we have covered. So we have tried to cover majority of the topics. So that's what you can expect from this particular lecture series, and all the notes of these lectures would be uploaded with the video and you can access the link. So thank you. This was about our lecture series and the topics. Thank you for watching. We love you. Thank you. And do the maximum you can for the betterment of